This video is about my new book, How to Become Rich and Successful, Creative Ways to Make Money with a Side Hustle. Coming up. Hi everyone, this is Dr. Ernesto from AttaBoyCowBoy, and on this channel we give you health and wealth tips to help you be more successful. Now, one of the primary reasons I wrote this book was to help out friends and family that kept calling me up and writing to me and saying, hey, how can I change my situation? You have any ideas? How can I make some more money? How can I make my life more bountiful? And I said, yeah, there's a lot of different ways. And after explaining it over and over a few times, I thought, hey, I'm gonna write it down so I can share it with whoever needs some help, whoever might need some help. A lot of us live kind of in a routine, which is not necessarily a bad thing, but we talk to the same people, same family, same friends. We live in the same environment. So we get into kind of a routine and our mind kind of starts working similar. And it's hard sometimes to look out of the box and be creative in court, and start a new path for yourself. So books like these just give you some ideas, some suggestions. You can kind of broaden your horizons a little bit. So you can say, hey, you know what? That's a good idea. I'm going to try that. I'm going to try these credit card loans so I can buy real estate. I'm going to try hard money loans so I can start a business, or I can buy other real estate and rent, or I can do Airbnb or whatever it is. Some of the ideas you may be familiar with, but there's over 150 ideas in here. And a lot of it you may not be familiar with. So it can give you some ideas of things that you can do to start a new life for yourself. So hopefully this helps. If you have any questions, please comment below. I'm from Mammoth, California. This is Dr. Ernesto Martinez. Goodbye.